decrease of 1 degree for every 166 meters rise in height. This is because as one goes from the surface of the earth to higher altitudes, the atmosphere becomes less dense and the temperature decreases. The hills are therefore cooler during summers. Now, India is covered by different landforms. That is, India has mountains, plateaus, and plains. So, it results in difference in temperature. If I take up Himalayas, Himalayas have an average height of about 6,000 meters. On the other hand, if I take up coastal plains, the maximum elevation is about 30 meters. The Himalayas prevent the cold winds from Central Asia from entering the subcontinent. It is because of these mountains that this subcontinent experiences comparatively milder winters as compared to Central Asia. The coastal plains, on the other hand, creates a moderating influence on the climate. This is because of the sea breeze and the land breeze. Next one is the pressure and the wind systems. We will study this under three categories, that is pressure and surface winds, then upper air circulation, and western cyclonic disturbances and tropical cyclones. Based on the rotation and revolution of the earth and the apparent movement of the sun, different pressure belts have developed on the earth, and the surface winds move from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. Some of the important wind on the earth are easterlies, westerlies, polar winds, and the monsoon winds. And two different type of winds blow over India, that is southwest and northeast monsoon winds. The southwest monsoon winds blow from sea to land, that is they are onshore winds, and northeast winds blow from land to sea, that is they are called offshore winds. Why do these winds deflect? Actually, these winds deflect to the right in the northern hemisphere and they deflect to the left in the southern hemisphere. The reason behind that is coriolis force. Now, what is coriolis force? It is an apparent force caused by the Earth's rotation. The Earth rotates from west to east at a speed of 1600 kilometers per hour. The coriolis force is responsible for deflecting winds towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards left in the southern hemisphere. This is also known as the Ferrel's law. The pressure and wind conditions over India are unique. During winter, there is a high pressure area north of the Himalayas. Cold, dry winds blow from these regions to the low pressure area over the oceans to the south. In summer, a low pressure area develops over the interior Asia as well as over northwest India. This causes a complete reversal of the direction of winds during summer. The air moves from the high pressure area over the southern Indian Ocean in a southeasterly direction, crossing the equator and turns right towards the low pressure area over the Indian subcontinent. Now, these are known as southwest monsoon winds, and these winds blow over the warm oceans, gathering moisture and bringing widespread rainfall over the mainland of India. The upper air circulation in this region is dominated by the westerly flow. An important component of this flow is the jet streams. When I say jet stream, it refers to winds that blow at a great speed. Now, these jet streams are located approximately over 27 to 30 degrees north and south latitude, and therefore they are known as subtropical westerly jet streams. Over India, these jet streams blow south of Himalayas all through the year except summer. Then the western cyclonic disturbances. Now, these are experienced in the north and the northwestern part of the country, and they are brought down by the westerly flow. In summer, the subtropical westerly jet streams move north of Himalayas, with the apparent movement of the sun. An easterly jet stream called the tropical easterly jet stream blow over peninsular India. This is approximately over 14 degrees north during summer months. Now the western disturbances are weather phenomena brought in by westerly flow from the Mediterranean region. They occur in the month of winter and cause rainfall in north and northwestern part of India. The moisture in these storms usually originate over the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean, and they travel towards east. Although the amount of rainfall is meager, it is highly beneficial to rabi crops, especially the wheat. Now the same winds cause snowfall in the mountains. The next factor is the distance from the sea. Now the sea exerts a moderating influence on climate. Let us understand how. During the daytime, both the land and the sea gets heated. The land gets heated more than the sea. So at land, the temperature is high and the pressure is low. And the water bodies, the temperature is relatively low and pressure is high. So the wind starts blowing from sea towards land, and this is known as sea breeze. So during the daytime, the coastal areas will receive sea breeze. But at the night time, the land gets cooler than the sea. So at the land, the temperature is low and the pressure is high. So wind starts blowing from land towards sea.